Hey guys, today I'm gonna unbox Anker charger. So earlier I had this older version which has two USB type A. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Nothing else in the box. The user manual and a charging brick. So let's compare side by side. This is new, this is older. Type A, Type C. Both are IQ. This is Gen 3. From the side, both these are retractable, which is nice. Very low profile, but this is slightly larger, as you could see. It's like slightly not a big deal, and it's supposed to be 40 watt max, so 20 per watt per port, sorry. Also, this is made in Vietnam and this is made in China. So let's go ahead and plug a USB here. In terms of weight, this is slightly heavier, but just marginally. Not it gonna make any big deal. That's pretty much it for this unboxing video. Hope it gives you some kind of a perspective. Take care, guys.